Let's be real, most creators are playing the YouTube game all wrong. They spend 20 hours editing the perfect video, obsessing over transitions, lighting, and sound quality. Then, when it's time to upload, they spend 5 minutes slapping a boring title on it like, "My Trip to Tokyo" or "How I Make Cat Animations." This is why your channel isn't growing. You're treating the title like an afterthought. The algorithm and the viewer treats it like the front door. If they don't open the door, they never see your masterpiece. I spent the last month analyzing over 500 viral videos, specifically from highly successful faceless channels. Why faceless? Because they have to master titles and thumbnails. They don't have a celebrity face to pull people in. What I found was shocking. It wasn't random luck. It was a repeatable psychological science. I identified 5 specific patterns, what I call click magnet frameworks, that work across every single niche. Today, I am giving you those 5 formulas, showing you why they work, and showing you exactly how to steal them for your own channel. Okay, framework number 1, the hidden identity, or as I like to call it, the simulation hook. This is one of the strongest psychologically. You aren't just telling a story, you're placing the viewer inside it. In the original viral video I analyzed, the title was simply, "Your Life as the Son of the US President." Why does this get millions of views? Because it triggers a cascade of what if loops. What if I had Secret Service? For the Mongol documentary, instead of the rise of the Mongol Empire, we use "Your Life as a high-ranking Mongol general." For the cat animation, instead of Meat Mittens the secret agent cat, try "Your Life as a world-famous digital spy cat." Framework number 2 is the one habit. This is the ultimate click magnet because it targets our deepest desire: low effort, high reward. The classic viral example, "I grew my channel by doing this one thing." It implies, I found the shortcut. For the Mongol documentary, he conquered half the known world by mastering this one weapon. For the cat animation, I reached 100,000 TikTok followers using this one animation hack. It's concrete and result-oriented. Next up, framework 3, the ranked authority. Lists are evergreen content, but this framework injects order and an expiration date. The analyzed example was, which cruise line to choose in 2026, rank worst to best. This uses the psychological levers. For the AI creator niche, top 10 AI voiceover tools for 2026, rank worst to best. This next one is counterintuitive. Framework 4 is the toxic obsession. You tell them what they are already losing. Psychology tells us humans are more motivated by loss aversion than by the hope of gaining something new. For the Mongol documentary, the one toxic obsession that brought down the Mongol Empire. Finally, framework 5, hidden in plain sight, suggesting there is a hidden mechanism that they don't want you to understand. Example, the secret detail trainers don't want you to see. This establishes authority and a power dynamic. So, to summarize, we have hidden identity, the one habit, ranked authority, toxic obsession, and hidden in plain sight. Use these to turn your titles into click magnets and finally give your content the growth it deserves.